The re-evaluation of a case of acute flaccid paralysis for residual paralysis for the purpose of AFP surveillance is done after 60 days. Bias elimination can be done by blinding, matching, and randomization. Egg is food with maximum cholesterol content. According to the Workmen's Compensation Act 1923, anthrax is considered an occupational disease. Screening under RNTCP emphasizes on sputum microscopy. H5N1 avian influenza has not been an epidemic till now because human-to-human transmission is rare. You are a doctor. You visit a village and want to make a quick estimate of the infant population determined by number of folic acid tablets consumed in an year. Application of mental health knowledge in general healthcare is under Mental Health Act 1987. Dengue is a flavivirus transmitted by Aedes aegypti. Malnutrition is protective against it. District Blindness Control Society is established under district collector or deputy commissioner. Vaccine-derived poliovirus are IVDPV, IVDPVD, VDPV. Study has been done to establish the relationship between smoking and lung cancer. It was found that the association was more in people who exercise less and less in people exercising more. In this situation, exercise is a effect modifier. According to ICDS, supplements given to pregnant female include 600 calories plus 18 to 20 grams of protein. Under HDI, in gross enrollment, only secondary education is considered, not the primary education. Chemoprophylaxis is not indicated in measles. It can be given in cholera, meningococcal meningitis, and conjunctivitis. HIV sentinel surveillance provides data to monitor disease trends. Evidence of decreased risk of cardiovascular events is seen with potassium and regular physical exercise. The most sensitive indicator of environmental hypothyroidism is neonatal hypothyroidism. Adequate supply of safe drinking water, provision of food supply, and basic sanitation are included in ALMA regulation. Meningococcal polyvalent vaccine is routinely recommended to all children of age 5 to 7. More than 10 per 1 lakh population suggests endemic of meningococcal meningitis. Coronary care unit and cancer care facility to be established at the district level hospital. Evidence-based medicine depends on clinical models and decision analysis to base its recommendations. Nischay is for tuberculosis elimination program. JE vaccine after first dose, first booster. Next boosters are given every 3 years. This is the RBCY, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, which provides cashless services to poor health insurance. Thank you.